I don't see the whole political side of it. I see how this takes away a huge percentage of my worry.
A sigh of relief for some, a battle cry for others. We've got local reaction from both sides tonight as the Supreme Court makes its decision on the Affordable Health Care Act. The Supreme Court has made its final decision on the Affordable Health Care Act, but the real battle may be just getting started. Tonight, we have team coverage of today's landmark decision. We'll highlight major points in the court's 197-page ruling and have reaction from all sides, including a local family greatly impacted by today's decision. Our Jeff Powers begins our coverage with the details of the ruling.
Jim, here is the Supreme Court ruling, some 200 pages, and it was clear the court took its time in making the historic decision. In a 5-4 decision, U.S. Supreme Court justices upheld the health care law championed by President Barack Obama.
Victory for people all over this country whose lives will be more secure because of this law and the Supreme Court's decision to uphold it.
The ruling will also serve as a rallying cry for Republicans.
Our mission is clear. If we want to get rid of Obamacare, we're going to have to replace President Obama.
The highlights of the ruling: the individual mandate requiring people to have health insurance is valid as a tax. Individuals have to have health insurance either through their employers or a state-sponsored exchange. If not, they face a fine beginning in 2014, the year the mandate begins. And the law bans insurance companies from denying coverage to people with pre-existing medical conditions.
And because of the mandate staying in place, the cost of health insurance, especially in California, won't skyrocket.
Craig Gussin is the president of the San Diego Association of Health Underwriters.
I want everybody to have health insurance. It's good for them.
But according to a study from 2010, some 650,000 San Diegans don't. Gussin is cautiously optimistic the mandate will heal a system in need of repair.
It's also good for the system because this way that you don't have hospitals, paying out millions and millions of dollars for people who are in a hospital that have no health insurance.
My point, though, is that Congress often relies on this power.
Legal analyst Dan Eaton has read the landmark ruling. It's clear the court, he says, was rightly diligent.
These questions are at least as old as the Republic itself. And that's why it is not surprising that the court took nearly 200 pages to answer those questions.
One question was answered. The mandate is constitutional. Now the voters will decide whether it's the right policy for America.
The law may be constitutional, but it may not be immortal, because if the person challenging the president wins the election, his first order of business is going to seek to repeal this law. There is another important issue under the court's ruling. States will be free to elect not to cover all of their poor residents through Medicaid, meaning liberal states like California probably will offer all their residents health coverage in 2014, but conservative states like Texas could leave hundreds of thousands of their residents without medical insurance. Jim?
All right, Jeff, thank you so much.